SearchGuru.com is a modern business directory designed based on a modern intelligence algorithm that helps local business owners, service providers, and experts to beat with booming e-commerce competition. The way e-commerce are growing, according to research, it has been revealed that if the local business are not changing their business strategy, 5 years down the line, they will be in trouble. They'll not be able to survive. So SearchGuru.com is a directory that has been designed to help local business owners, service providers, and experts to survive in the age of e-commerce. Now let us explore this business directory. Once we are in the home page, we see this is a very simple page with a very powerful tool. So here are tutorials. You can go through this tutorial to learn more. Then offers, events, blog, contact, and ad listing. Now as a customer, how can I use this? Very simple. Two text fields are given here. See what and where. So if I want to buy a sensor, simply I need to type SENSOR, sensor. Intelligent algorithm is there. It will suggest that one registered business is there who sells sensor. So click on this. And this is the particular business profile. I can see a very good description is given there. There are events, contacts, reviews. This is how it helps. Let me type a mobile brand. VIVOMOBILE. Press enter. Here it is, the business profile of a mobile shop. All these things are there. So as a customer, people can search this. Once you are on the particular business profile, you can see the details. What are the products they sell, what are the features, whether they accept credit cards, debit cards, cash payment is there, finance facilities available, mobile charger, all these facilities will be there. Additional business detail will explain all these things that they are expert or they are providing services. Now, as a business owner, if you want to create a menu, go to the menu and you see these are the menus that is designed by this mobile shop. They are offering some deals and then events. They can create event, create announcements. So very interesting announcement is there. Compare the price online and then pay. So most of the cases what happens, we as a customer buy from online because of the low prices, because of different offers. Now this guy has procured things accordingly that he can say compare the price online and then pay. That means he's really able to compete with e-commerce. So this is why I'm saying that to survive your local business, this is very important. Now contact information is there. Anybody can contact directly. So without even handling a phone call, without even talking to them, you can understand their requirements. This is another way of generating quality leads. Then reviews. You can see some of them have sent some reviews. So in case of e-commerce, what happens, we do not know about the shop owner who is selling this product, but based on the review, we purchase. So this strong review system is there. After registering your business, it will provide you a comprehensive dashboard. A comprehensive dashboard that will provide you user ID and password and you will be access to your dashboard. And this shows you a lot of things. So number one, user views, customer leads and customers reviews, right? Then, and this business is just created. I took this business listings name to show you how this listing dashboard displays information because there is no user, no customer, no reviews. So it will be very easy to understand. Then you can create announcements. So it's very easy. Using your ID and password, just click here and it will be created. Now there will be much more tutorial on how to create all these things, but this is an overview. You can create events, you can click here and then generate events. You can create appointments, you can create coupons, you can create menus, you can create accepting appointment now, then you can create menus, then you can see listings, invoices, packages, and moreover, you can run ad campaigns to popularize your business inside this directory. So what will happen if you are displaying ads on Google? You don't know where Google will display the ads, but if you are running this ad on this inside this platform, those local people will be there. They will be watching your advertisement. Now, another important question. Suppose people don't know about SearchGuru.com. It's a very new service. It will take few days to become popular. But how this will become popular? I'll give you an example. Like while searching for a particular keyword in Google, let me try STEM Academy Guwahati and press enter. You see, the first organic link is here, STEM Academy Guwahati, and this is a page created on SearchGuru.com. First link. Can you imagine getting organically in the first place of Google is very, very important and very difficult. difficult, but searchkora.com is very intelligent. Once you create your profile, it will definitely get rank on Google. So just click on this STEM Academy Guwahati and you will be here in this STEM Academy. You can see lot of options are there, lot of features are there. You can book appointment, create menus, whatever product you are selling. You can create product or service related menus. You can create courses, create packages, whatever is like training, holiday, everything you can use. Events, announcements, contact info, reviews, all those things are here. So if somebody wants to contact you, simply call on WhatsApp. After pressing this, it will automatically connect you to your WhatsApp, right? It is one of the best directory that will connect you with potential customers.